Welcome to the very first episode of Knowing a Killer. Here we uncover both infamous and lesser known cases, facts of the crimes, and explore the killer's background and how it may have shaped their minds. This isn't about sensational headlines, it's about facts, psychology, and deeper understanding. But before we dive into individual cases, we need to set the stage. Let's break down the terminology of multiple murders first. When we hear about crime in the media or in TV shows, the words serial killer, mass murderer, or spree killer often come up. But what do these terms actually mean, and what really separates one from another? Today, we'll break down the basic terminology of multiple murderers based on definitions from the FBI and criminology experts. Number 1. Serial killer. A serial killer is defined as someone who commits 2 or more murders in separate events. The key element is the so-called cooling-off period, which I will explain later in this video. Serial killers operate in different places and at different times. Each murder is a separate crime. Famous examples include Ted Bundy, who murdered dozens of women across the United States in the 1970s, and Alexander Pichushkin, the chessboard killer from Moscow, who aimed to claim 64 victims, one for each square on a chessboard. We'll cover these killers and many others in upcoming episodes. Number 2. Mass murderer. A mass murderer, on the other hand, kills multiple victims at the same time in a single event, usually at one location. There is no cooling-off period here. These crimes are often associated with school shootings, workplace killings, or terrorist attacks. Examples include the Columbine High School shooting in 1999 or Anders Breivik in Norway 2011. Anders Breivik carried out the Norway attacks, a one-bomb attack in Oslo, and a mass shooting on Utøya Island, which killed a total of 77 people. Number 3. Spree killer. The term spree killer is sometimes translated as a killer on a murderous wave. This type of offender kills several victims in a short period of time across different locations, but without stopping. Unlike serial killers, there is no cooling-off period. The killings happen in one continuous sequence. A well-known example is Andrew Cunanan, the man who murdered fashion designer Gianni Versace. So, what does the cooling-off period mean? Cooling off is a break between killings when the murderer stops for a time, often planning or fantasizing about the next attack. This period is one of the main differences between types of killers. Serial killers have it, spree killers do not, and mass murderers commit their crimes all at once. Quick recap. Serial killer, 2 or more murders, separate events, cooling-off period. Mass murder, multiple victims, one event, one place. Spree killer, multiple victims, different locations, and no cooling-off period. Extra note. Interestingly, the terminology has changed over time. The FBI, along with experts like Ronald and Stephen Holmes, pointed out that it's not only the number of victims that matters, but also the psychology and motivation of the offender. In 2005, the FBI organized an international group of experts to create a clear definition of serial murder, and this version is still the most widely accepted today. So, as you can see, terms like serial killer, mass murderer, or spree killer are not just words for movies or crime shows. They are scientific categories that help investigators and psychologists understand different types of crimes. In upcoming videos, we'll look at 10 most common myths surrounding serial killers. Thanks for watching Knowing a Killer. Stay tuned, because the first real case is coming soon. If you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!